Hey gang, so this is my second time really trying out this watercolor thing. The first time I did it with red, but anyway, so yeah, so we're gonna go right into it. I want to do Alexis Sky theme, lime green color slime thing, you know what I mean. But yeah, so I want to do that type of color. I'm using the Limelight from Kiss Colors. Now this is my first time using this Kiss Colors, so we're just gonna see how it goes. I filled the container with 8 ounces of hot water. As you can see, this water is mad hot, like for real. But anyway, let's go in, and I'm just eyeballing the color just to see what color it comes up to, because I don't know, I've never did this color before. So we're just gonna see how it goes, and I'm just mixing, making sure everything comes out right. For the whole process, I've only used less than half of the bottle. So I got this full bottle and I've only used less than half. So now I'm testing the strand to see if I even like the color that it comes out to. And I actually like that green. It's not too dark and it's not too light where you don't see it. So now I'm gonna just put the whole wig in there and just see what it do. So yeah, I put the wig inside. I started with the top first because that's what I want to be darker. And I'm just using my applicator brush to push the hair in, each strand in, just hoping that it reaches each strand, because listen, I don't know about this whole method, but we're going to see how it goes. And what shocked me out of all of this is that when I took the wig out, all the color was going out the water. So I'm like, okay, so I gotta do this again. So I did it a few more times, and I'm like, okay, now you're gonna see I start getting lazy. This only but so many times I could be dipping my hand in this hot as water. But you're gonna see I keep doing the process a few more times. Okay, so now I'm just getting tired because some of the strands are not catching any green on them. So I'm just starting to put the green on the damn brush and just wipe it on the hair, like, because I get very impatient at a time and I'm keen to finish this color and see what the color looks like, and I'm already loving it. So I'm just wiping it on there. I'm wiping it on the roots because I want the roots to be more green, but I'm not putting too much. Like if you see, I put like two dots of color on the brush and then applying it to the strands that need it. So just not too much, but I just want to fill in the wig so it doesn't look like blotchy. So this is the first part to the second video. I ended up just drying the hair and flat ironing it and installing it on my client, and that'll be in another video. But this is the final product. I hope you guys like it because girl, we in love over here. Yes.